COVID-19 rise in suspected child abuse cases after lockdown. The number of reported incidents of children dying or being seriously harmed after suspected abuse or neglect rose by a quarter after England's first lockdown last year. Figures indicate the Child Safeguarding Practice Review Panel received 285 CSE incident notifications from April to September. This is an increase of 27% from 225 in the same period the previous year. The data also include children who were in care and died regardless of whatever abuse or neglect was suspected. The Children's Society described the figures as shocking. The Seriously Incidents Notification System requires Council in England to report all incidents of death or serious harm involving children in the area to the Department of Education, which publish the data. They are also required to inform the Education Secretary and often if a lockdown after child dies, regardless of whatever they suspect abuse or neglect. Child death increased from 89 to 119 and those seriously harmed rose from 132 with 153 compared with the same period in 2019. According to the data, the number of seriously incidents involving children under on increased by 30% and did not harm suffered by those aged 16 and over. The majority, 54% of incidents related to boys and almost two-thirds related to white children. In two-thirds of the 285 cases reported the harm occurred while children were living at home. The number of serious incident notifications had fallen in 2019 to 2020, where 274 such notifications hidden from view. Annapurna Policy Management or the Children's Society said the increase in incident last year happened at a time when COVID-19 was having a huge impact on the well-being of children and families and disrupted help available to those who needed it most. England's first lockdown being at the end of March last year and ended on 4 July. MS Pona said during the first lockdown, many vulnerable children were stuck at home in difficult, sometimes dangerous situations, often isolated from friends and support networks. Sadly, children also continue to be